Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. From this video session, we are going to start the fourth module of Digital and Social Media Marketing, named Social Media. In this module, we are going to study the basic introductory part of what is social media. Then we will see the different platforms of social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, etc. So, let's start the first session of module 4, in which we are going to introduce with the concept of social media. So, let's start. Friends, many of us start our day by opening or by seeing the notifications of WhatsApp or Facebook, which are all the platforms of social media. The study shows that near about 2 to 3 hours we daily spend on different social media platforms. In first radio session of digital marketing, I have discussed that social media is one of the important channel by which one can implement effective digital marketing. So here we are going to discuss that what is this social media, why this is very much important from the perspective of digital marketing, what are its limitations and what are its features. Let's discuss the definition of social media. Basically, it can be defined as the interactive platform where content is created, distributed or shared by individuals on web or website or internet. So, the name itself suggests that social media is a medium by which two or more people can share share information or whatever they want to share easily by using their social media platforms. Here they can create content, they can share it with their friends and other people. Now let's see the characteristics of social media. Almost all of us have used different social media platforms. There are certain features which are common in each and every social media platform. And these features we are going to discuss over here. The first one is the web space. Social media platform provides space to the people in order to share the content with their friends and other one. The second feature is web address. Each and every social media platform provides unique identity address or unique address to their users. That address, the users can share that address with their friends. They can match various links on that address. They can communicate with people by using that address. So it is one of the important features that social media platforms provide a special unique web address. The next characteristic is it builds profiles. Each and every social media platforms ask users to share their personal as well as professional information. In order to match this, they ask about this all information simply in order to match the people who have near about same profile. By matching that profile, there can be the possibility of friendship between these. So this is the basic idea behind building the effective profile on social media platforms. So here, when one user build their effective profile on social media, automatically the brand or the identity of that user is created, and it helps him to connect and communicate with more number of other people having near about same profile. The next characteristic is it connects with the friend. It is one of the most basic purpose for which the social media has been created. It helps in connecting people and friends. by using the feature of building profile, the social media platform helps users to find out the people belongs to similar profile, and after that they connect with the people who match that profile, and it helps in creating a strong friend circle. Then another feature is it upload content in real time. By using various social media platform, one can upload the content and can stream the live videos or the live content on various social media platforms. We know that there are so many live videos run on YouTube's. There is option of live streaming on Facebook and other social media accounts. So by using these social media platforms, one can share their live moments with their friends and community. The next feature is it enables conversation. By building a strong friend circle, by sharing the content in real time, and by building a strong profile, one can make conversation with others. And this is the important characteristic of social media. The last characteristics which we are here going to discuss, this is it posts the post on social media have timestamp. Means whatever content we share on social media platforms, each and every content is represented by showing the real time span and the time at which that post has been posted on that platform. So by using this time span, one can or the friends of the users can identify that at what time that can be at what actual time this post has been created, and other details related to it. And by using this time stamps, all the posts are arranged from latest to the older one. So these are the different characteristics of social media platform which you would find in each and every social media platform, whether it is Facebook, whether it is LinkedIn or Instagram or Twitter or anything else. Now let's discuss that what is the role of social media platform on digital marketing. From the first video session we are continuously talking that for establishing effective digital marketing or for creating the effectiveness of the digital marketing, social media platform plays vital role. So here we are going to see why these social media platforms are so important in case of digital marketing. The first point says that it creates brand recognition. With the use of social media platforms, one can create the effective brand recognition. When particular brand open their account on various social media platforms, then as soon as people come to know about their pages on that social media platform, people start following that brands. After following that, people come to know the real-time events organized in that brands, the real-time activities arranged by that brand, and so on. So by this, the unique recognition in the minds of users created. So that's why social media platforms plays important role in creating brand image. Let's say the example, imagine that there is one clothing shop which you visit frequently, and suddenly while surfing on your Facebook page you find the account of that shop on Facebook, and after knowing that yes this shop has a account has its account on Facebook, you will definitely follow it because you are already the customer of that shop. So after that, when you start following it, the other users means your friends will come to know that you are following that brand, and suddenly they would also enthusiastically start following it, and they would try to visit that shop. So in this way, this all the procedure of brand recognition takes place on different social media platforms. Now, the next point which explain how social media is important for digital marketing is it tells brand story. Whenever any brand create their account on social media platform, so by creating account, they also post various posts on that platforms. By uploading various posts, their followers, their users, their friends come to know more about the brand. Their friends realize that what actually the brand is doing related to society, related to their customers. So in this way, this social media account helps them in sharing the brand stories and creating the unique brand image. The next point is it helps in gathering data for audience research. This is one of the most important role of social media in digital marketing. Using various social media accounts, brands identify that what are the interests of the customers, what are the needs and wants of customers, what customers prefer to buy, what they don't prefer to buy. So in order to make the in-depth research of the customers or making segmentation and profiling of the audiences, social media plays important role. So for gathering the data of audience for customer research, social media is very important. The next is it helps in customer relationship management. As I have discussed in first 2 points that it creates brand recognition and tell brand story. So these both points helps in customer relationship management. So how? Here, by using social media account, the brands are directly communicating with their customers, directly sharing their views, their events, their performances with customers. Also, there are so many customers which are the potential customers, or which like to buy certain things from particular brands. So for providing customer services, social media can be the best platform. So here, for making effective customer relationship management, social media platforms plays very important role. Now, the next point is it redirects customer to the website blogs or to the websites or blogs. So, imagine that you have one blog and you are promoting the content of your blog on your social media account. So, your users will find that no, you have updated or you have uploaded this content on your blog. When you provide the link on that post, your friends will redirect to your blog. So in this way, the crowd to your website or crowd to your blog will automatically increases. So here, in order to increase the crowd on your website or blog, social media can be one of the effective tools. The next is it assists in link building. With redirecting the customers on the websites or blog, it assists in link building. While discussing search engine optimization, we have seen what's the importance of building a link, building an effective link. So here, by using social media accounts and social media platforms, one can one can create or one can build effective links. The next point is it retargeting customers. Social media platforms also helps brands to retarget their customers. If there is one customer who has once visited the online shop, but it's been so long that he has not yet visited once again, so that online shop can identify that customer on his various social media accounts like Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram, and over there they can market their brand, or they can customize their marketing tactics and try to retarget their customers. So for retargeting customers, social media platforms plays important role. So these are all the different roles of social media and social media platforms, which helps in order to make digital marketing more effective. Now with the importances, with the beautiful features, there are certain limitations of different social media platforms. Let's discuss these limitations one by one. The first one is a tarnished brand image. We have seen that while discussing the point of creating brand recognition and tells brand story, that the brands are more open with the customers by using the brands get more open with customer by using social media platform. So here the one wrong post can tarnish the image of the brand. If there is one brand which has millions of followers and suddenly by mistake that brand posts something irrelevant or posts something a questionable post on its social media account, then that will create the negative impact in the minds of millions of followers. So that's why there can be the possibility of tarnishing the brand image when the brand use social media platforms little bit carelessly. The second limitation is brand transparency. Here, brands are more transparent with customers. They share their in and out on social media, and if once again if they perform or they post something carelessly, then that can affect the brand image. So this is also the limitation of this social media platform. The next limitation is it's very time consuming. Getting famous on social media platform is not a task of one day or one night. You have to be very consistent in posting various posts on your social media account. Also, it takes certain time in order to create more followers to your account. So getting famous on social media is it's quite a time consuming process. The next is a delayed return on investment. As getting famous on social media is a time consuming process, that affects the return on investment of the brand. If there is one brand which is new and it has created their account on social media platform, so it will take some time on the return on investment. If they are making some sponsored ad, they are executing some sponsored ad on social media platforms, so they will not get result immediately. They have to wait for time. So delayed return on investment is again one of the important limitations of social media platforms. So this is all about the concept of social media. Here we have discussed the basic definition or the basic concept of social media. Then we have seen different characteristics which are common in each and every social media platform. Then we have seen what's the role of social media platform from the perspective of digital marketing. After that, we have seen certain limitations which are limiting brands which are limiting brands in order to execute the digital marketing on various social media platforms. So this is all about social media. I hope you understand it. From the next video session, we are going to see each and every social media platform individually. How does it work? How one can create the business account on social media on particular social media. So this all we are going to see in our upcoming sessions. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.